To learn how to install your Eclipse awning, follow these steps. Before starting, please refer to the written manual for related warnings, tools, and product do's and don'ts. If you are unsure of the mounting method, please consult with a building specialist. This video has been presented as a guide only. Your model and installation may vary. First, unpack the unit and take inventory of all items before you begin. Next, measure the awning and compare that measurement to the wall you will be installing it to. Using those measurements, mark the siding of the wall to indicate where the ends of the awnings will be once installed. Determine your possible mounting point based on the structure's framework. Mounting the bracket to the framework is necessary for the awning to be supported. Then, transpose these possible mounting locations to your torsion bar's free space. Your goal is to have at least a single mounting bracket within 8 inches, but no closer than 2 inches of the arm-shoulder attachment point. If the unit width allows, sandwich each arm-shoulder attachment point with an installation bracket. If you have additional brackets, center them as best as you can on the unit. Next, confirm the awning bracket installation points. For vinyl surfaces, you'll have to get underneath the siding. Other surfaces may require using a 1/4-inch probing bit through the siding. After finding an installation point, adjust your previous mark using the point as the center. Once you've made the necessary marks for all of the awning bracket installation points, if you move the siding at any time, reinstall it now. With a pencil, trace the wall bracket footprint on the siding in the intended mounting location. Then, using a razor blade or rotary tool cutting wheel, cut into the siding so that the brackets can fit snug against the wall. Remove any foam insulation between the siding and the wall sheathing. Pre-drill 1/4-inch holes using the bracket and the drill area marks. This will help to avoid splitting any framework. Once ready, attach the provided 3/8 inch by 4.5 inch galvanized lags with washers through the bracket holes and through the siding into your installation point. The fasteners provided are intended to have 2-inch penetration into the selected framework. Depending on your installation, you may need to source longer fasteners. Once you've secured all of your brackets to the side of the wall, make sure they are level. If any are not, use a mallet to lightly tap the sides of the bracket until it is. Once all of the brackets are in the correct position, fully tighten all of them and caulk the top and sides of each to prevent water from getting behind the siding. With the help of a partner, place the awning into the wall brackets. Confirm that the awning aligns with the end marks you made earlier. To secure the awning's torsion bar into the mounting brackets, take the provided 6mm bolts and screw them in using an Allen wrench. Once all the bolts are in place, take the red and green straps off the awning arms. If your awning has an optional protective hood, you can now start to install it. Loosely slide the hood installation brackets into the underside tracks of the hood profile. Then, attach the side covers with the provided screws. The hood brackets should be evenly spaced. Note the brackets are left loose so that you can slide them over as you drop the hood into place on the torsion bar. Once the hood is in place, you can tighten the hood brackets. Secure the hood to the awning with the provided bolts and tighten them with an Allen wrench. Next, take the provided power cord and connect it to an outlet. You can hide the cord within the siding. The awning's remote is preset to the inner and outer limits, so once the awning is plugged in and ready to go, the remote does not need to be programmed. The remote comes with a wall hanger. Determine whether your remote is waterproof before hanging it outside. A weatherproof remote will have blue rubber. If it is gray or white, the remote is meant to be stored indoors. The Eclipse awning also comes with a manual crank in case you lose power. To install the crank, place the override stem into the designated slot in the awning. Once the override stem is secured, you can then use the crank's hook to connect to the stem and start extending or retracting your awning by hand. Make sure not to leave the crank outside once you're done. If your awning's arms appear misaligned, you can adjust them using an Allen wrench and the arm's wrist attachment bolts. While holding the arm in the desired position, spin the fine-tune adjustment bolt on the rear side of the awning shoulders. You'll likely need to adjust the pitch of your awning as well. Refer to your installation guide for pitch adjustment instructions for your specific model. Once everything is set in place, attach the plastic shrouds to the ends of the awning by fastening a Phillips head screw through the hole in each of the shrouds. You have successfully installed your retractable awning.